So give me one word in the chat. How is the dil? How is the dil? How are you guys feeling? How is the current energy today? Settle everyone and give me one word in the chat. How are you guys feeling? How has been your day today? So today it's Thursday. So how has been your day? How is your current energy? Super se upar. Very nice. Wonderful. What about others? Ashwini, Akshata, Shrestha, Ishita. Come on, everyone. Rath Yatra. Superb. Okay, very good. Yes. What about I'm waiting for some more energy, some more energy. Come on, everyone. So, how is the deal? How is your current energy? Because see, money is also sitting like this. Today we'll be talking about money. Do you want money or not? How do you love? How many of you love money? Give me in the chat. I love money. I love money. Give me in the chat. I love money. I L M. Otherwise, money is not gonna come you. So money will be thinking, if you don't love me, so I'm not gonna come to you. So you will have to write in the chat. ILM. Otherwise, money will also be sitting like this and it will be saying, okay, so I'm going to Poonam. She has shown a wonderful energy, or Akshata, or Shrestha, or Ashwini. Wonderful. Okay, yes. Come on, everyone. I want some more ILM. Very nice. So everybody loves money. Everybody desires money. Okay, so are you guys ready with your notebook and pen? Notebook and pen? Okay, so please write down these two words in your notebook: desirability and deservability. So we all love money. We all desire money, right? So we all want a lot of ढेर सारा money. हीरे मोती चांदी सोना बंगलो गाड़ी एरोप्लेन की सैर करा दे मुझको भी तो लिफ्ट करा दे. So we all want that, isn't it? Desirability and deservability. So what's the difference between desirability and deservability? I'll let you know. Okay, so first you please write down these two words in your notebook: desirability and deservability. Desirability means like we feel we desire something. Okay, so we desire a lot many things. So we desire that we should have a beautiful bungalow. We desire to have a beautiful car. We desire to have a lot of money. We desire to have beautiful clothes. Okay, so we desire to have BMW, Mercedes, or whatever you feel like. We desire a lot many things. ये भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए. I want this. I want this. That is your desire, right? So that is our desire. We desire a lot many things. ये भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए, बंगलो चाहिए, गाड़ी चाहिए. Everything we want. We want travel. We want car. Okay, so many things we desire. But do we deserve luxury cars? Yes, personally. Okay, yeah. So we desire so many things. But do we deserve? Do we feel like, yes, I deserve it? So where is the problem? Why don't we have whatever we desire in our life? So we desire so many things, but why all those desires are not reality of our life? Why? Where are those desires? Where is that money that we desire? Where is that BMW? Where is that Mercedes that we desire? Where is that diamond ka set, diamond ke earrings, diamond ka ring? Where is all those things? Because we desire, but we feel that inside ourselves, like we feel like we don't deserve. So do we feel that we have that deservability? Do we feel? So there is the problem. So that's why all those things, whatever we desire, is not the reality of our life, because we think that we don't desire. We desire, but we don't deserve. Sorry, deserve. So we think that we don't deserve. We don't deserve a bungalow. We don't deserve private jet. We don't deserve. So that's why that all those things, whatever we desire, are not the reality of our life. Because we only desire. We are writing every time, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this, I want this. I desire this, I desire this. We desire so many things. But inside us, we feel that we don't deserve. Okay, so if I say I want to make that amount of money, particular amount of money, 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees. But inside me, if I feel I don't deserve, if I have that doubt, if I have that fear, how is it possible? If I have that doubt inside me, so that means I feel that I don't deserve that amount of money, right? So, do you have that kind of deservability? Do you feel like, yes, I deserve this? I deserve to live in a beautiful bungalow. I deserve to have a beautiful, BMW. I deserve, yes, I deserve to earn 10 lakh rupees per month, 5 lakh rupees per month easily and effortlessly. So today I want you to work upon your deservability. Yes, I deserve. Why do we deserve? So like, what do you think that why we should deserve? Are we lesser? So if we think that we don't deserve, so that means we feel that we are lesser, but we are the chosen one. So I told you multiple times that we are the chosen one. We are the universe's favorite child. We deserve it because we exist. This only reason is enough that we exist. We exist on this planet Earth. We are the creation of that creator. We are the creation, and how can the like creator be wrong? How can be that creator, the God, the universal power, that highest power, how he could be wrong? We are the chosen one. We are the universe's favorite child. This only thing is enough that we exist. We exist on this planet Earth. So this is enough. So that's why we deserve. We deserve everything, whatever Mukesh Ambani, Anil Ambani, they people have. We deserve everything because we exist. And this one reason is more than enough. So today onwards, I want you to feel like, yes, I am the universe's favorite child. I exist. So I deserve everything, whatever rich people they people have. I also deserve the same. I also deserve the same like whatever Shah Rukh Khan has. I also deserve whatever Amitabh Bachchan has. I also deserve whatever Madhuri Dixit has, whatever money they have, whatever lifestyle they have. I also deserve the same. I also deserve like travel to outside India and inside India. I also deserve BMW, Mercedes. I deserve everything because I exist. I am the creator's creation. And creator cannot be wrong. Creator ne banaya, creator. We are the creator's creation. And how he could be wrong? So we don't have to desire only, we have to deserve only. We should have that deservability inside us. And that can be built. So you have to repeat every time. So you have to remind yourself again and again, again and again, again and again. I deserve, I deserve, I deserve. I am universe's favorite child. I am the chosen one. I am the creator's creation. So that's why I deserve. Because money responds to your energy. If inside you are feeling every time like you are lesser, you are lesser, you are lesser, I cannot have whatever they have. If you are thinking like that, I'm not good enough, I cannot have. So this is expensive, I cannot afford. So you must have heard your parents say why they people had, very middle class life or lower middle class life. Why the people had that kind of life? Because they also thought in that way that we are lesser, we don't deserve. How can we have that luxury life, luxury bungalow, luxury cars? How could we have? So they also thought in that way. So that's why they didn't have all those things, because they thought that we don't deserve. So they desired, they wanted so many things in their life, but inside them they were thinking that they don't deserve. So that's why they didn't have all those things. And from them we also have learned a lot many money related limiting beliefs. So what are the money related limiting beliefs? What are the money related limiting beliefs? Can you give me one limiting belief that you must have heard from your parents? Anything, that this is expensive, money is very hard to earn, money doesn't grow on the trees, jitni chadar, उतने पांव पसारने चाहिए, काइंड ऑफ थिंग यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड। मनी इज वेरी हार्ड। ये जितनी चादर उतने पैर। क्यों हम चादर बड़ी करेंगे? चादर बड़ी करेंगे हम। सो इट स्टॉप्स विद अस। I cannot afford this. It is very difficult. I'll have to do a lot many things. So we cannot afford this. We cannot afford that. You must have it. This is very expensive. This is very expensive. So today onwards, I want you to drop out this word expensive. Never ever use this word expensive. Nothing is expensive because we are the creator's creation. और उसके सामने क्या है? ये BMW क्या है? उसके सामने एक बंगलो, ये गाड़ी, ये सब चीजें क्या है? इतना 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 चीटी का दाना है उसके सामने। But you just need to work upon your
मैं
observability.
सोच रही थी कि मैं अगर इतनी मांगती फिरूंगी तो वो बोर तो नहीं हो जाएंगे ना, कि ये मांगता ही रहता है, इस बच्चे को क्या ही दूं, इसको खुश ही नहीं रहता, यही मांगता रहता है।
So that's why we are learning to be grateful. First, we will be grateful for whatever we have.
बट ग्रेटफुल का मतलब मैं कुछ और तरह से तो मांगना ही हुआ ना, कि हाँ ग्रेट,
Yeah,
मतलब
so
मन
what?
में तो
So what? He is the father. He is the father. बच्चा अपने father से नहीं मांगेगा तो और किससे मांगेगा? Do you remember those days when we were very small? We asked so many things from our parents. ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, वो चाहिए, वो चाहिए. Then what? And
बट
we are being
हम
grateful as well,
बोला
whatever we
जाता है ना
have
कि
for that.
भगवान भी मांगते हुए बच्चे को अच्छे अच्छे नहीं रखते, ऐसा वाला कुछ हम लोग भी तो सुने हैं ना, इस तरह की बातें, कि जो बच्चा रोता ही रहता है और फिर मांगता ही रहता है, उस बच्चे को भगवान भी अच्छे नहीं, मतलब प्यार नहीं करते, इस तरह
No,
से।
it's not like that. बिना मांगे तो माँ भी दूध नहीं देती. Have you heard that as well?
हाँ,
Okay.
यस।
बिना मांगे तो मम्मा भी दूध नहीं देती है. Right? So you have to cry a little. Then only you will be getting.
या
Right? Yeah. So we deserve it. We deserve it. So we need to work upon our deservability because we are God's favorite child. We are the creator's creation. Repeat every time, every time. At least for complete one day. The time when we will be meeting tomorrow. So till then, whatever affirmations I am letting you know right now, money flows towards me from all the directions. I love money. Money loves me. I am God's favorite child. Everything you have to repeat multiple times, multiple times, multiple times. I have practiced this a lot in my life. In last 2 years, so I have practiced this a lot. Whenever I used to, get up early in the morning, so like this in abundant pose, and I want this, I want this, I am universe favorite child. Every time, like whatever I am giving you affirmations, so I used to speak a lot for complete half an hour, playing the music. And because in our community, like now, from where I am learning all those things, law of attraction and everything from where I have learned. So we used to do this practice a lot in the morning for complete half an hour with the music, with the abundant pose like this. Our coach used to say this: speak, 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 louder, louder, louder. You have to feel it, you have to feel it, you have to feel it. And this is really magical, magical, because it builds our deservability. It goes to your subconscious mind when we repeat. So why every coach says like we have to work upon affirmations? So affirmations work. So I told you na, 3P: positive, present, and personal. I deserve it. So I is what? I, personal, deserve, positive, personal, positive, and what was the third one? Positive, personal, and present. Present. Okay, so write down these three words so that we don't forget. So these are the affirmations. So we have to repeat it.
Ma'am, what is those words you said? Desirable money and deserving money.
Yeah, desire and deserve. Desire means that we desire. I desire a beautiful house. I desire BMW. Okay, so I desire a lot of money. So my desire is to earn 5 lakh rupees per month easily and effortlessly. Okay, so these are the things that we desire. But what is deservability? But if we are thinking that we don't deserve it. So you will not be getting the things because we desire a lot many things. But do we deserve? Inside your mind, you keep repeating that I am lesser, I am lesser, I am lesser, and you are feeling jealous of the rich people. So let's say you are jealous of Mukesh Ambani, Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan. The people have a lot of money. Why God is giving them a lot of money? Why we are not having a lot of money? So let's say we are feeling very jealous. Instead of getting inspired, we are getting expired. We are not feeling inspired कि they have a lot of money. We are feeling jealous. So what the universe will think? The universe will think that she doesn't like the rich people. She doesn't like the rich people, so that's why she doesn't want to be like rich people. Okay? So if we don't like rich people, so universe will also think, na, she doesn't like rich people. So why should I make her rich person? Because she doesn't like. If I think जिनके पास बहुत सारा पैसा है, they people are snobbish, they people are selfish. If my mentality is like that, if I'll be thinking negative about them, if I think negative, if I feel jealous कि पड़ोसी ने कार ले ली यार उसने देखो कितनी बड़ी, and I am feeling jealous, I should feel inspired. For universe is यार दूसरे की खुशी में कितनी खुश हो रही है, तो मुझे इसको भी बहुत देना है. If I feel jealous, तो यूनिवर्स विल थिंक यार उसके पास
That
बीएमडब्ल्यू है, तो
negative
कोई खुशी नहीं हो रही,
emotions.
मैं इसको भी नहीं देता. क्योंकि शी डजंट लाइक दोज पीपल हु हैव बीएमडब्ल्यू. So why should I give her BMW? Right? So we have to be inspired. We have to feel inspired, not expired. We don't have to feel jealous. We have to be happy that they people are happy. Because we also deserve. We'll be also getting one day. Okay, so today, so this was the base that I love money. Keep repeating, I love money. Money flows to me. Money loves me. I love money. Money comes to me from all the directions. Money comes to me from all the expected and unexpected ways. So we have to make a beautiful relationship with the money. Okay. So if we are speaking negative anything about our friends, so friends will also not stay. We are not saying anything about friends to them, but our energy is like that. So we need to work upon our energy because money also responds to your energy. If your energy is negative, money will not stay with you. So you need to work upon your energy. Money responds to your energy. So when I got this concept, now I was like, oh my God, I have to learn it. I have to learn it. I started working. And you don't have to think like when you will be earning money. So that is one source. That is only one source. Okay, like your salary is only one source. But every person, like most of us, we think that we will be getting the salary. That is the only money for us to have money. For us to have money, salary is the only thing. No, we'll be getting money from so many sources. So many. We have to keep everything open. Open. From all the sources. Why I have given you this affirmation? Money is coming to me from all the directions. You know, earlier I was a person when I didn't know this concept. Whenever somebody used to give me money, because I have two young ब्रदर्स. ओके, सो वो एक मेरे से 1 साल छोटा है और एक मेरे से मुझसे 4 साल छोटा है. ओके, आई हैव टू यंग ब्रदर्स. सो वेन एवर दे यूज टू गिव मी मनी ना, आई वॉज लाइक नो 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 नो, आई डोंट हैव, यू आर यंगर देन मी, सो हाउ कैन आई, बिकॉज मैं बड़ी हूँ तो मैं ही तुम्हें दूंगी. आई वॉज लाइक दैट. बट दैट इज ऑल्सो द सोर्स ऑफ मनी. इफ दे आर गिविंग मी money, so I have to take it. I don't have to say no, because that is also one of the sources. But what I can do, if they are giving me 1,000 rupees, so I can give them 2,000 rupees. That I can do. If you are thinking, okay, so they
Yes.
are younger than you, so you don't have to accept money from them. If you are thinking like that, if they people are giving you some kind of money, you know, earlier I was thinking like that I don't have to accept. But this time, my younger brother, he got some amount of money from the YouTube. Okay, so he earned some money from the YouTube. So he thought of giving me, okay, so I am the eldest one, so मुझे उसको देना है. So he was like, earlier me, so वो पहले वाली होती तो मैं नहीं लेती. But now this time when he gave me, I said, yeah, okay. अब जो जितना मुझे उसने मुझे दिया, मैंने उसको डबल करके दिया. But I didn't say no. Okay, so I'll be taking. I'll
यस
be
मैम,
taking the money. क्या
कहते हैं
कहते
कि
हैं?
पैसों को कभी ना नहीं बोलना चाहिए।
ना नहीं
और
बोलना चाहिए.
हम क्या कहते हैं ना, जो छोटे होते हैं ना, वो हम उनसे लेते नहीं है, कहते हैं कि नहीं हम तो बड़े हैं, नहीं लेंगे, आप
Yes,
अपने
yes.
पास रखो।
Yeah.
यूज
And
टू
you know
डू
from
दैट।
where we learnt all those things. When we were very small, we used to go to,
हमारे
you know, our
पेरेंट्स
nani's house and masi house, chachi house. So they used to give us some money,
गिव अस
and our
मनी
mother
है।
used to say, no, 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 हम नहीं लेंगे, नहीं लेंगे, बच्चों को क्यों दे रहे हो ऐसे kind of. So we learned from there only. So we also started doing that. So I told you they are also like victims of victims. So उनको नहीं मालूम है, but now we know the concept. We don't have to say no to money. If it is coming, let it come. So you double it and you give it to them, na, if you want to give. But don't stop the flow of the money if you are getting. Right? Okay, so that's it. So let me share the book. Let me share the screen. Yes.
मैम, यू सेड ना कि वी यूजुअली जेलस विद द रिच पीपल। मेरे साथ सच में ऐसा था। मतलब मैं सच में बहुत ज्यादा अमीर लोगों से ना जलती थी। ये कुछ डोनेट वोनेट करते नहीं है ना, जानवरों पे ध्यान देते हैं, उड़ा के चले
Hmm.
जाते हैं ये वो।
Hmm.
मतलब वैसे जनरली पीपल विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट इन द सोसाइटी कि आई जेलस विद हर या ये वो। बट सच में मुझे बड़ी जलन होती थी, इतना पैसा है कैसे इनके पास।
Hmm.
अब मेरी थिंकिंग थोड़ी चेंज हो गई है उस पर्सपेक्टिव में कि नहीं, ठीक है,
Hmm.
करते ये भी होंगे।
नाउ अभी खुश होना है, बहुत खुश होना है,
हाँ।
दूसरों की खुशी में बहुत खुश होना है. गॉड ब्लेस देम, गॉड ब्लेस देम. वाओ,
हम्म।
सुपर, ऑसम, अमेजिंग. आई बी ऑल्सो हैविंग वन डे, आई बी ऑल्सो हैविंग वन डे. सो यूनिवर्स इज यार, दूसरे की खुशी में कितना तू है, तू भी ब्लेस यू, ब्लेस यू, ब्लेस यू.
हम्म।
Otherwise universe will think she doesn't like rich people, so I don't have to make her rich because she doesn't like na, rich people. So how can she be rich? Right? Are you getting the concept now?
मैम, एक चीज और मुझे पूछनी है आपसे।
Hmm.
जैसे कोई मेरी फ्रेंड है और वो बहुत अच्छा अर्न कर रही है, या मतलब मान लीजिए कर रहा है। मेरे अंदर क्या है, मैं मेरे पास अगर 15,000 रुपए भी मेरी सैलरी पे आए हैं तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ मैं 2,500 से 3,000 रुपए एनिमल्स में दूं। क्योंकि
Hmm.
मेरा मन करता है, मुझे उससे बहुत सेटिस्फैक्शन इनर सोल में फील होता है।
Hmm.
बट उसके अंदर क्या है, वो मतलब कोई जानवर मार भी रहा होगा तो वो और आके जाके उसे मारने लगेगा।
Hmm.
बात आई किसी उस पे, तो वो सिर्फ रिलीजियस व्यू पे ही एक्सपेंड करेगा। जब मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि इसके पास ये 1 लाख रुपए महीना कमा रहा है और स्टिल
Hmm.
ये थोड़ा सा भी डोनेट नहीं कर सकता, नहीं मुझे तो ये वो। तो मैं उसके बारे में आज ना पॉजिटिव सोच ही नहीं पा रही थी कि मैं
No, don't
कैसे
think. Their
पॉजिटिव सोचूं।
karma, their life, whatever they are doing, so don't think about them. You just think about your karma. Don't judge people. Don't judge. You never know na what is going on in their life. So maybe they people are donating in some other way. You never know. You never know. We haven't seen their past. We haven't seen their future as well. So you just
हम्म।
focus on yourself.
हम्म।
Okay.
आई हैव द
So
सेम व्यूज
whenever
अपॉन इट।
you
हाँ।
think or judge people, they are like that. They are so again,
हम्म।
done. The work is on us.
My mind is actually ruling about it कि maybe he has some another circumstances, that's why he's believing in such
Yeah.
way।
Yes.
ठीक है।
Okay. So let me begin. Yes. So welcome to day number 5, money magic. Money magic. Okay. So look at this beautiful picture. The bag full of money. Bag full of money. Do you want that? Do you want that bag full of money? So some magic
यस
is
मैम।
happening. Okay. So we also want to create the same magic, right?
मैम
Okay.
बड़ा बैग लेके, बड़ा बैग
Yeah,
भरना
बड़ा
चाहिए।
बैग लेके. Yes. Okay, gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty. So those people who are grateful, so they are riches. They are rich people. And those people who complain, they will become poor. They will live the life of poverty. Because gratitude is riches. Gratitude will make you rich. And complaint will make you poor. Okay, so you can underline this thing. Beautiful. Gratitude is riches. Complaint is poverty. If there is a lack of money in your life, understand that feeling worried, envious, jealous, disappointed, discouraged, doubtful, or fearful about money can never bring more money to you. It can never bring more money. if you are feeling jealous, if you are feeling envious, worried, disappointed, discouraged, doubtful whether I'll have money or not, don't think about that. Don't be fearful कि खत्म ना हो जाए, ये ना हो जाए, वो ना हो जाए, अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, एक्सपेंसिव, ये वो काइंड ऑफ. Don't think about any negative thing because those feelings come from a lack of gratitude for the money you have. That means you are not being grateful. Complaining about money, arguing about money, getting frustrated about money, being critical of the cost of something, or making someone else feel bad about money are not acts of gratitude. And the money in your life can never improve, it will worsen. जब भी किसी गार्ड को पेमेंट करो, किसी को सैलरी पे करो, मेड को करो, डोमेस्टिक हेल्प को करो, ओके, जो कार वॉश करने के लिए आते हैं, ओके, सो ड्राइवर हो गया, whosoever it is. इफ यू आर एवरी टाइम योर एनर्जी इज लाइक चिक चिक वाली, 2 दिन नहीं आया, पैसे काट लू, ऐसा कर लू, वैसा कर लू, नो, डोंट डू लाइक दैट. डोंट डू लाइक दैट. Give them always something extra, and they will also do something extra for you. If you will be cutting their money, and they will also be cutting your work, and you will never know.
Yes,
You will never
yes.
know. And I have my maid. She is so nice, so nice. मतलब जितनी तारीफ करूं, she has been into my house from last 16 years when my daughter was born 16 year back. So तब से she is a Muslim lady. She has 6 kids, but from that time, like, she has been working in my house. So nice. जब मैं सो भी रही होंगी ना कभी, इतनी सी भी चीज, मतलब if you are thinking of them, so they also will be doing something extra for you. मतलब इतना, मतलब आई
Yes,
हैव
ma'am.
फेथ ऑन हर कि घर जैसे पड़ा है ना, जैसे पड़ा है. मतलब हाउ डू यू अट्रैक्ट दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल? Your energy matters. So I told you na, if you have that, negative energy, so you will attract negative people. But if you shift your energy from negative to positive, you will start attracting positive people.
I experience these things a lot of time.
Yes. So the work is on you. Change your energy, shift your energy.
Yes, ma'am.
You are
Last,
the channel. Yes.
yes, ma'am. I already you told me na, so don't take unnecessary stress for maid. So I'll always said to her, whenever you leave, I cut the amount. So you said no, no, no. I
Hmm.
always follow that. I mean, these 15 days or 1 month.
Hmm.
I like her behavior. She is also very much comfortable.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, they also become the member of your family, like your kids, like the elders, like the younger people at home. Like they also become the member of the family.
yes, ma'am.
So they also start loving us. They also start caring.
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे कभी
Also
मैं
that,
कभी जाना भी पड़ जाए, मैं बोली, यार 2 चपाती बना देना. दिस इज नॉट हर जॉब. दिस इज नॉट हर जॉब बिकॉज कुकिंग इज ऑन मी. कटिंग चॉपिंग इज ऑन हर. ओके, एंड शी स्टार्टेड विद ओनली, उसने पहले वो झाड़ू पोछा से स्टार्ट किया, देन शी स्टार्टेड डूइंग यूटेंसिल, देन शी स्टार्टेड वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स एज वेल, देन शी स्टार्टेड दैट कटिंग एंड चॉपिंग व्हेन आई वाज सर्चिंग फॉर दैट कुक ना एट होम. व्हेन माय वर्क स्टार्टेड इंक्रीजिंग, तो मैंने कहा यार तुम अब खाना ही बना. तो यार खाना तो मुझे, मैंने 3-4 कुक चेंज करे, मुझे मजा नहीं आया. मैंने कहा चलो यार ठीक है, तुम ना कटिंग चॉपिंग भी कर देना, एक्स्ट्रा तुम लेना ना, कुकिंग इज ऑन मी. कुकिंग मैं कर लूंगी. कि शी सो नाइस. तो उसने सब जगह काम छोड़ के वो मेरा इतने सालों से वो, लाइक यू विल अट्रैक्ट
yes.
नाइस पीपल.
Yesterday I leave. I mean, I take my son to the school and temple. She did all the work and came early. And yes, she is nice. Behavior
Yeah,
was changed. Actually, I was very happy.
because you are nice.
Yes.
Because you are nice, so you will attract nice people. Because
So
people
because then
mirror.
she is afraid to see me because why you are not coming late. This kind of so
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
So because people mirror, there is no maid. There is you. There are matlab, like you only. They
Yes.
will be like you only. There is no husband. He is me only. There are no kids. They are me only. They are the reflection. Whosoever is in front of you, that person is your reflection. Some of you will get it, some of you will not get it.
Yeah. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Because see,
I can-
Newton's law, like attracts like, law of attraction, like attracts like.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you people like are together? because you are attracting,
Right.
and you attract the people like you only. अगर किसी दिन किसी से झगड़ा भी हो जाए ना तो समझ लेना there is a problem in your energy only. There will be something going on in back of your mind. You must be thinking something. And one after another, one and after another, one and like you will see some negative things happening.
Yes,
ये
yes,
गड़बड़ हुआ, आपने सुबह थोड़ा उठे, ग्रेटिट्यूड नहीं किया, थोड़ा एनर्जी में थोड़ा इधर उधर हुआ, देन यू विल स्टार्ट सीइंग लाइक नेगेटिव थिंग्स हैपनिंग. कभी आपकी बस छूट जाएगी, कुछ आपका कुछ मिस हो जाएगा, कभी बटुआ कहीं पे गिर गया, कभी मोबाइल खो जाएगा, मतलब समथिंग विल हैपन वन आफ्टर अनदर. तीन चार वन आफ्टर, देन यू हैव टू सिट. Then you will realize, you will understand, yeah, the problem is in my energy. First, I have to come in alignment. Alignment first, action later. Okay, so no matter what your current situation, the very thought that you don't have enough money is being ungrateful for the money you have. See, if you are saying that I don't have enough money, I don't have enough money, that means you are being ungrateful. So first you have to start being grateful for whatever you have right now. First you have to be grateful for that. You have to get your current situation out of your mind. Don't think about your current situation if you don't have enough money. Instead, you feel grateful for the money you do have. So the money in your life can magically increase if you start being grateful for the money you do have. जितना money आपके पास है. And I'll be letting you know some kind of activity, like if let's say you have a lot of money. Okay, so sometimes you can do this. Take a lot of money in your hand and you just sit and you just be happy. You just be happy. कुछ नहीं करना. That is also one of the activities to attract wealth in your life.
Mm.
Because happiness should be given the first priority. You just have to be happy. Because God loves to see you happy. कि मेरे बच्चे कितने खुश हैं. So how you will bring the happiness? Day before yesterday, I was sharing with my kids and I was being very happy. What I was doing, I called my son, I called my daughter, and I told him, okay, so today we'll be making the wish list. So whatever you want to have in your life, so you have to please let me know. I'm making the list. Okay, so I'm done with my 6-7 things. So मुझे बस इतना ही चाहिए. But I want to make the list of 20 things. So I'm done. मुझे अभी सब कुछ मिल गया, बस मुझे 6-7 वो छोटी छोटी चीजें चाहिए, वो that I have already written. So I called Tanya, you tell me these things. And she also told me some of the things कि मम्मा मुझे लैपटॉप. मैंने कहा ठीक है, तू मेरा पुराना वाला लेना ना, I'll be getting the new one. Okay, so my son also told me, मम्मा मुझे एक स्विमिंग पूल चाहिए, वो अपने घर में होना चाहिए. So like he was also telling, so we were having fun. So why I was doing that activity? To make them happy, so that they can feel happy. Otherwise there was no agenda to make that wish list wala. Or they were also like sitting in their room. He was in his room and my daughter was in her room, so I was in my room. So I said, okay, come, I have a beautiful activity to do today. So today we'll be making the wish list and we'll be placing the order to the universe. Okay, so mama, what we will be doing now? Will the universe? Yeah, I totally believe, 100% I have believed that I'll be getting whatever I want. So you also have to come with me and I'm gonna place the order to the universe. So like we were having that fun. So you can also start doing these small activity to make yourself happy and to make your loved one happy. Because God loves to see you happy. So how you have to find out the ways like how you can be happy. तो कैसे एक बहुत सारे पैसे अपने हाथ में ना, बस खुश होना है बस आपको और कुछ नहीं. You just have to start feeling happy. And how can you make yourself, whenever you are paying money to somebody, okay, वो पैसा जा नहीं रहा है, वो पैसा आ रहा है. आज मैंने 100 रुपए का वाटरमेलन लिया, 100 रुपया गया नहीं, वो 1000 होके आ गया मेरे पास. Oh wow, I got 1000 rupees. I didn't give
Yes,
100
ma'am.
rupees. I got 1000 rupees.
yes,
Because
yes.
whatever we eat, that give us hydration to our body, or like I used to feel like that, like whatever we earn or like we buy for at our home, so what we are getting from that, like we hydrated our body throughout the day by eating watermelon, or we get source of vitamins, proteins, all these things. So we used to like feel that yes, we are getting that much more amount from that. So these things we are
Yeah, so this is what
experiencing.
like
And
I'm saying, like you have to find out the ways to make yourself happy. How can you be happy?
yes, sure.
Right? And these are some, and you can find out your ways as well, how you can be happy and how you can make the atmosphere around you happy.
Just a minute, I also want to share something.
Yes, please
You know,
tell.
for the very first time, I got text this year. And
Mhm.
yesterday, my husband just shared it to me that, how does it happen that, for the very first time we got text. He said he was really worried and I was feeling very happy. Oh my God, I'm so rich. I got text. Means
Yeah.
मेरी इनकम पे मुझे टैक्स पड़ गया. And
Mhm.
my husband, okay, तुझे अपना एक जीरो सैलरीड अकाउंट खुलवाना है ये and he was feeling so worried and I was so happy. Oh my God, I'm so rich.
Yeah, you will see this happening. So whenever my husband is also angry sometimes, so I'm just laughing. I'm in the room. I'm not going in front of him. Otherwise, he will be more agitated कि यार मेरे को मैं worried हो रही है खुश हो रही है.
Right, right.
So because we are learning all those things, na, so we have to see. Okay, so whoever has gratitude for money, so the same riddle. Whoever has gratitude for money will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whosoever doesn't have the gratitude for money, even what he or she has, that also will be taken away from her or him. So feeling grateful for money when you have very little is challenging for anyone. So it could be challenging if you don't have money. But when you understand that nothing will change until you are grateful, you will be inspired to do it. See, this is very beautiful. See, it could be challenging for us if we don't have enough money. So how, like, we will think like how we can be grateful when we don't have money. But when you understand that nothing will change, if you are not grateful, so nothing will change. You will be the same person. But if you know that being grateful can change your situation, so you will feel inspired to do it. You will feel inspired that yes, it can change my life. So I have to be grateful, right? So today I was making a reel, so I'll be posting it so you can watch it. Okay, so like what's the difference between rich and poor? I was like discussing with you as well. Like poor person can be rich, but he will not be rich. Why? Because he will not believe it, that how can being grateful can help him. So the subject of money can be tricky one for many people, especially when they don't have enough. So there are two steps to the magic money practice. It's important that you read through the entire practice of magic money at the beginning of the day, because you will continue with the money practice throughout the day. Okay, so there is this activity. So it is written over there. So I'll let you know how you have to do it. Okay. So I will show you that is there in my mobile phone as well. So I don't know if some of you have observed it or not. There is this note. So I will let you know
Yes.
what you have to do. So this is the activity that we have to do today. So sit down and take a few minutes to think back through your childhood before you had any or much money. So Rhonda Byrne is saying we have to go to the childhood memories. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words, thank you, with all your heart for each instance. So we have to go to the past, when we were born, in our childhood, in our school days, in our college days. We have to recall each and everything. Okay, so when was the money involved? When you were very small, when you were born. Do you remember those days when you were born? Like when we were born in the hospital, right? So some money would have spent. Our parents would have
Yes.
spent some money. They would have given some money to the doctors, to the nurses, for the room also, for all the like things, right? So they would have given the money na in the hospital. And after that, when you were born, after that, so लाइक आपने कुछ वो कपड़े वपड़े पहने होंगे, वो जो एक छोटी सी वो चड्डी बनियान और वो जो लंगोटी शंगोटी जो, लाइक यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, सो व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू स्कूल, लाइक शूज का, बुक्स का, बैग्स का, यूनिफॉर्म का, for everything they people paid money for every small thing. Can you guys imagine? So we have to start from there. How much money they would have spent when we were very small. So start from the very beginning. Okay, so there are some examples here. Did you always have food to eat? Yes, we always had food to eat. Always. From the day when we were born till that time, we always had the food. Did you live in a home? Did you always have the home? Did you always have the roof on your head? So we always had the roof. So we have to be very thankful. ऐसा तो नहीं कि हमें सड़क पे रहना पड़ा. We are not living on the road. We were not living on the roads. We were not born on the roads. We were born in a nice hospital, right? And we are not living on the roads. We are living in a beautiful home. And we always were living in a home, whether it was a rented house or your own house. But we all had always a home to live in. Did you receive an education over many years? Yes. Yes, from the very childhood, when we were 2 years of age, we went to the crutch or play school. Then after that, schooling, then college, then degree, and the MSc or B.Ed, whatever we did. So they people spent a lot of money. हमने spend किया क्या? No, they people spent. So we always had. अभी देख लो, अभी अपनी बॉडी को देखो, अपने सिर से लेके पांव तक देखो अपने आप को एक बार. ऑब्जर्व फ्रॉम द हेड टिल टो. हेड में कुछ शैम्पू लगाया हुआ है? हेड पे डिड यू यूज एनी काइंड ऑफ शैम्पू? डू यू यूज एनी ऑयल? पूरा हेड से स्टार्ट करो. थोड़ा सा नीचे आओ. ये चश्मा किसी किसी ने लगाया हुआ, किसी किसी ने नहीं लगाया हुआ. ओके. और ये इयररिंग्स जो टॉप्स आपने डाले हुए हैं. ओके. मेरे तो ये 2-3 काफी वो डाले हुए हैं. ओके. किसी ने नोज पिन डाला होगा. किसी ने लिपस्टिक भी किसी का लेक्मे का लिपस्टिक होगा जो 500 से 1000 रुपए का किसी ने खरीदा होगा. किसी ने चेन डाला होगा गोल्ड का. ये जो कपड़े डाले हुए हैं आपने, ठीक है, किसी ने पायल डाली होगी. सब कुछ जो भी आप हेड से लेके टो तक देखो, कितना पैसा अभी आपके बॉडी के ऊपर है. अपने आसपास देख लो सारी चीजें. लैपटॉप, नोटबुक, पेन, पेंसिल, इरेजर, शॉर्पनर, माउस, बेड, ये लैम्प, एवरीथिंग. यार एक बार घुमा के देखो अपने आप को. एसी, फैन, टेबल, चेयर, एवरीथिंग. एक एक चीज के लिए पैसा लगा है. एक एक चीज के लिए काउंट करने बैठेंगे ना, इतना बड़ा रजिस्टर भरने वाला है. एंड देन ऑल्सो लाइक कुछ ना कुछ छूट जाएगा. कैन यू गाइज इमेजिन कितना पैसा आज तक बचपन से लेके हमारे ऊपर आज तक लगा है. हमने लगाया क्या? हमने लगाया क्या? बचपन में शादी से पहले पेरेंट्स ने लगाया, बाद में हस्बैंड ने लगाया. अब when we started earning, so we started spending the money. But can you imagine कितना पैसा यार, कितना. We always had money. What I'm trying to say is we always had money. And not itna sa, a lot of money we had. So we have to be very grateful, very thankful we have to be. How did you travel to school each day? Do you remember? मम्मी पापा ने क्या रिक्शा लगाया था या कुछ टेम्पो में कैसे गए थे? अर्लियर तो आई डोंट नो गाड़ी वाड़ी थी या नहीं थी, जो भी था. राइट. सो डिड यू हम ना मेटाडोर में जाते थे. मेटाडोर वो एक वैन काइंड ऑफ होती थी, वो बड़ी उसकी बॉडी ऐसे थोड़ी. आजकल तो वो वैसी वाली वैन्स होती नहीं है. डिड यू हैव स्कूल बुक्स, स्कूल लंचेस एंड ऑल द थिंग्स यू नीडेड फॉर स्कूल? Did you go? So why I'm telling each and everything and giving so many examples, so that you can feel it. You can feel the gratitude at the depth. Did you go on any vacations when you were a child? I went a lot. Every summer vacation or winter vacation we used to go to Nani's house. और हम वो
Yes,
हरिद्वार
ma'am.
जाते थे, 15 से 20 दिन वहां रुकते थे आश्रम में. What were the most exciting birthday gifts you received when you were a child? बर्थडे गिफ्ट्स पैसों का आता था. किसी को देते थे तब भी. व्हेन यू रिसीव देन ऑल्सो, व्हेन यू गेव देन ऑल्सो. आपने नहीं कमाए थे उस टाइम मनी. योर पेरेंट यूज टू स्पेंड. डिड यू हैव अ बाइक, टॉयज और अ पेट? एवरीबडी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ टॉयज. डिड यू हैव चॉकलेट्स एज यू ग्रू सो क्विकली फ्रॉम वन साइज टू द नेक्स्ट? क्लोथ्स, जैसे जैसे बड़े होते गए हम, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट साइज के कपड़े हमको मिलते गए. Did you go to the movies, play sports, learn a musical instrument or pursue a hobby? किसी ने डांस क्लासेस ज्वाइन की होंगी, किसी ने स्विमिंग क्लासेस ज्वाइन की होंगी, किसी ने कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंटल कुछ म्यूजिक सीखा होगा, किसी ने कुछ स्पोर्ट्स सीखा होगा. For everything, like our parents paid a lot of money. Did you go to the doctor and take medicine when you were not well? Yes, many times. Did you go to the dentist? Many times. Did you have essential items that you use every day, like your toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, shampoo? एक एक चीज लिखने बैठेंगे ना, oh my god, it's a never ending list. Did you travel in a car? कैसे ट्रेवल करते थे? जब हम हरिद्वार जाते थे तब तो बस में जाते थे लटक पटक के. वो ट्रेन में कभी बहुत ट्रेवल किया है. Did you watch television, make phone calls, use lights, electricity and water? So many things are there. All of these things cost money, and you receive them all at no charge. As you travel back through memories of your childhood and youth, you will realize how many things you receive that equate a hard earned money. इसमें किसी का बहुत खून पसीने का पैसा लगा हुआ था, उसकी कोई कीमत नहीं है. Be grateful for every single instance and memory, because when you can feel sincere gratitude for the money you have received in the past, your money will magically increase in the future. It is guaranteed by universal law. Guarantee वर्ड को ना अंडरलाइन कर लो, सर्कल कर लो, या इसको बड़ा बड़ा जो भी मतलब ना, ये रोंडा बन की मतलब गारंटी है. इफ यू स्टार्ट बीइंग ग्रेटफुल, so you will be given magically, you will have abundance in your life. It will increase in future, because whatever we have at present, it's because of our past. Whatever you will be getting in the future, that is because of your present. So at present, now we are aware, that we have to be grateful. अब वो जानने के बाद, that like why we people are, why only like few people join? You people haven't planned to be here. You people are planted here because you all are the chosen one. भगवान चाहता है कि ये knowledge आपको मिले, so that you can create your life, wonderful life. To continue with the practice of magic money, take a dollar bill and write on a sticker that you place on the bill. Okay, so you have to take a note. Okay, तो डॉलर तो वो दूसरी कंट्रीज में होता है, तो यहाँ पे तो जैसे वो जो भी यहाँ पे नोट होता है. सो लेट मी शो यू. आई ऑलवेज कीप इट इन दिस मोबाइल कवर ऑफ माइन. सी, सो दिस इज द ट्रांसपेरेंट कवर ऑफ माइंड. ट्रांसपेरेंट कवर, तो इसमें मैंने रखा हुआ है, वो पूरे 1 साल से उसके अंदर ही है. ये 50 रुपीज का नोट है, राइट? तो इसमें ऐसे आपने यहाँ पे एक स्लिप चिपका के वो लिखना है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट, थैंक यू फॉर ऑल द मनी आई हैव बीन गिवन थ्रू आउट माई लाइफ. सो दिस सेंटेंस यू हैव टू राइट. ओके, एक प्लेन पेपर पे ऐसे इसको आपने यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर लेना है, एंड यू डोंट हैव टू स्पेंड दिस मनी. And you have to keep it at a place where you can 3 to 4 times, like you can look at it, and you have to feel grateful. And you have to say thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my
मैम
life. Thank you.
मैम उसे ऑब्जर्व करना है, मतलब दिन में
क्या
आपने
आपको
क्या
देखना
किया?
है, ऐसे हाथ में लेकर के आपको थैंक यू फील करना है, आपको ग्रेटिट्यूड फील करना है. थैंक यू फॉर
बट
ऑल द money I have been given throughout my life. I'm not saying that you have to keep it in your mobile cover only. It is not written over there. So it's up to
क्योंकि
you, like how you have to do it, so that
हाँ,
you can look at it 3 to 4 times in a day, and you just have to feel gratitude.
क्योंकि मैम वो मोबाइल के रेडिएशन से ना वो नोट जल जाती है, मैंने काफी केसेस देखे हैं.
मेरा आज तक नहीं जला, अक्षता. इट्स बीन 1 year.
मैम उनका मोबाइल
तो मैंने ये ऐसे रखा
मतलब
हुआ है, तो ऐसा ऐसा तो देखो, मेरा तो आज
मेरा
तक कुछ
मोबाइल
हुआ
पर तो
नहीं.
सिर्फ चार्ज करने से ही मतलब
ये देखो, ऐसे मैंने
ऑन हो
यहाँ
जाता है.
ये ऐसे रखा हुआ है. इज इट विजिबल? आई थिंक इट इज
यस.
विजिबल. ठीक है, ऐसे मैंने इसको कवर में, ये काफी टाइम से, ये 1 year हो गया, मैंने ये ऐसे ही रखा हुआ है.
और
So
काफी
whenever I
बार
am
ना
free, so I am just
नोट की
grateful.
लालच में
Thank you
लोगों
for
को
all
लगता
the
है.
money I have been given. Thank you for all the money I have been given. And you just have to recall your past as well. कि कैसे मतलब आपको मतलब आपके पास इतना पैसा था. Always you had money. Okay, guys. So I'll be taking your question if you have at the end. Okay, so let me read. So टेक योर मैजिक डॉलर बिल, जो भी आपने जो नोट लिया है, सो यू हैव टू टेक इट टुडे एंड पुट इट इन योर वैलेट, पर्स और पॉकेट. कहीं भी आप रख सकते हो उसको. एटलीस्ट वंस इन द मॉर्निंग एंड वंस इन द आफ्टरनून, और एज मेनी टाइम्स एज यू वांट. टेक इट आउट एंड होल्ड द मैजिक डॉलर बिल इन योर हैंड्स. रीड योर रिटन वर्ड्स एंड बी ट्रूली ग्रेटफुल फॉर द abundance of money you have been given into your life. The more sincere you are, the more you feel it, the faster you will see a miraculous change to the circumstances of your money. Okay, so you have to do this practice 3 to 4 times a day. 3 to 4 times. So you will never know. And those people who are doing like focused gratitude for money only, and they have to continue for till the जब तक ये बुक खत्म नहीं होगी, that time तक आपको you have to do that practice. Those who are doing the focused gratitude for money only. Otherwise, these all practices are for only one day, right? So you will never know ahead of time how your money will increase, but likely you will see many different circumstances change for you to have more money. You will see many, your all the circumstances will change and you will start getting money from all the directions. I told you ना, मम्मा से कभी पैसा मिल गया, कोई स्टक मनी था, किसी को वो याद आ गया, तो वो आपको वापस दे देगा एंड यू विल बी लाइक वाओ यार, ये आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग. So the whole universe will move the things around you and you will start getting, and you will be amazed like from where you will start getting the money. You could find money. So I told you ना, मेरा घर का ऐसे ही हुआ, like it was magical. Otherwise I never thought मैं कभी अपने घर में भी आऊंगी. You could find money you didn't realize you had, receive unexpected cash or checks, receive discounts, rebates, and decreases in cost, and receive all kinds of material things that would have cost you money. See, you'll be getting some discounts. You will start getting some rebates. Like people will decrease the cost for you because you people are lucky people. You people are like a chosen one. So you will see like मेरे लिए आपने कर दिया ऐसा. For me only you are giving at this price. You will be amazed like मेरे लिए ऐसा कैसे हो गया. So you will start getting the money from everywhere. डिस्काउंट मिलने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, कोई कैश आ जाएगा, अनएक्सपेक्टेड कैश, कोई स्टक मनी कुछ आ जाएगा. जैसे वो कहते हैं ना, कुछ ब्लिंकिट से पे करो, वो 100 रुपीज का कैश वगैरह, यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग दैट amount as well. But whenever you get that kind of screenshot, so you have to be grateful. Thank you money, whether it is 5 rupees or 50 rupees or 100 rupees, whatever small amount it is. If you are being grateful for that small amount, उसका 10 fold होके वो आपके पास आने वाला है. After today, put your magic dollar bill in a place where you will continue to see it every day to remind you to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. Never forgetting that the more times you look at your magic dollar bill and feel gratitude for the money you have been given, the more magic you will bring forth, and abundance of gratitude for money equals an abundance of money. So see, an abundance of gratitude equal to abundance of money. जितना ग्रेटिट्यूड करोगे उतना मनी आपके पास आने वाला. सो इट्स अप टू यू, हाउ मच डू यू डू. जितनी आपको लाइट लानी है अपनी लाइफ में, जितनी रोशनी लाइफ में लानी है, तो उतना आपको ग्रेटिट्यूड करना. सो इट्स अप टू यू. आपको एक दिया चाहिए, एक मोमबत्ती चाहिए, या आपको सन चाहिए या मून चाहिए, तो उतना आपको ग्रेटिट्यूड करना है. सो इट्स अप टू यू. आप 10 मिनट करो, आप 1 घंटा करो, आप 4 घंटे करो, इट्स अप टू यू. If you find yourself in a situation where you are about to complain about something to do with money, whether it's through your words or your thoughts, ask yourself. See, this is very important. Am I willing to pay the price for this complaint? Because if you will be complaining, you will have to write 10 gratitude for that. You know, yesterday's lesson. If you are doing one complaint, that means you have to do 10 gratitude for that. अगर एक कंप्लेन करोगे तो -10 वो पीछे जाएगा. So you don't have to complain, not through your words, not from your thoughts. वो तो करना भी नहीं ना. We people are nice people, we are good people, so that's why people are here. So we never complain. So we don't have to complain about money कि वो एक्सपेंसिव है, अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, ये ले नहीं सकते, वो नहीं ले सकते, बोलो इट्स ओके, वाओ अमेजिंग, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. आई वॉज
आप
वॉचिंग.
बोल रहे हो कि जैसे थॉट्स नहीं आने चाहिए, तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? मतलब थॉट्स तो आएंगे ना, जैसे निगेटिव थॉट्स तो टोटली बंद नहीं होता है.
Practice awareness. Now we are aware.
यस.
Now to we are aware, now we don't have to. Earlier we were not aware. Now we are aware. We know that we don't have to think negative. We don't have to speak negative about money. Earlier we didn't know. पहले किसी ने बताया ही नहीं.
For money, health, relationship, so we
Yes.
have to follow these
Yes.
things for
We
all.
don't have to speak negative. We don't have to think negative. Is it that difficult? No. You just have to deliberately remind yourself. और ये ऐसे नहीं होगा. अदरवाइज इफ वी आर लिविंग द लाइफ द वे वी वर लिविंग अर्लियर, इट विल बी ऑन ऑटो पायलट मोड एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द थॉट्स आर नेगेटिव. सो इंटेंशनली वी विल हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट. काम करना होगा. Okay, because that one complaint will slow or even stop the flow of money if we are complaining. So from this day forward, make a promise to yourself that whenever you receive any money, whether it's your salary at work, a refund or discount, or something that someone gives you that costs money, you will be truly grateful for it. Okay, so sometimes we get gifts as well. Sometimes when we go with our friends, so friends बोलेंगे okay आज मेरी तरफ से कॉफी और चाय.
Treat.
We have to be
Yeah.
grateful. Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
वो भी एक तरह से आपकी सेविंग है.
Yes.
ओके, ताज में जाते हो कॉफी पीने के लिए, 500-600 से कम की कॉफी नहीं है. इफ योर फ्रेंड इज ओके सो इट्स ऑन मी. ओके, सो यू विल से ओके सो नेक्स्ट टाइम इट्स ऑन मी. So that also like we have to be very grateful because that is also a kind of saving. आपका तो पैसा नहीं लगा ना, उसमें फ्रेंड का लगा, right? So you have to be grateful, and that is a kind of discount from the universe for you, right? So each of these circumstances means that you have received money. So like you have received money ना, आपका तो सेव हो गया. And each instance gives you an opportunity to use gratitude's magical power to increase. So we have to be grateful and multiply your money even more by being grateful for the money you have just received. So this is a practice we have to do. So magic practice number 5, magic money. So the first will remain same. Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. So today we'll be counting the blessings for money, right? Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel gratitude for each one. Sit down and make a few minutes to think back through your childhood and all the things you received that were provided at no charge to you. So we have to recall all the things from our childhood. We have to start. As you recall each memory where money was paid for you, say and feel the magic words, thank you, with all your heart for each instance. छोटी छोटी चीजें याद करने के, मम्मा आपने वो जो पेंसिल दिया था उसके लिए थैंक यू, वो शॉर्पनर जो लेके दिया था थैंक यू, वो जो हम शूज पहन कर जाते थे थैंक यू. सो वी हैव टू रिकॉल. Take a dollar bill or other small bill. So we have to do this. Write on a sticker that you place on the bill in big bold letters. Thank you for all the money I have been given throughout my life. Right? Take your magic dollar bill with you today at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, or as many times as you want. Take it out and hold the magic dollar bill in your hands. Read your written words and be truly grateful for the abundance of money you have been given. Right? And after today, put your magic dollar bill somewhere you will see it every day to remind you to continue to be grateful for the abundance of money you have been given in your life. So as much times as you can, so it's up to you. So you will have more abundance in your life. 1 दिन करो, 10 दिन करो, 30 दिन करो, throughout life करो. Okay? Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you, for the best thing that happened during the day. So these 2 practices we have to do daily. Count your blessings and magic rock. Right? Okay, so now we will start practicing. Any question if you have? Okay, let me stop recording, then I'll be taking your questions.